Friends and families, it is very hard to find a deal this sweet in Colorado Springs. Real estate here has gone through the roof. But lucky for you, this is one of the most affordable options with over 1,700 square feet, 4 beds and 2 baths. Might I present to you 519 Crest Street. This is a premier location, proximal to military bases, downtown Fountain, District 8 schools, and parks. Taxes are very affordable for the area, coming in under $1,100 for 2024. This lot is fully fenced and comes with a backyard that's been mostly xeriscaped for low maintenance and water efficiency. Along the east side of the house, you'll find there is more than enough room to add covered parking, whether it be a carport or garage. As you step inside, you'll immediately notice the open concept layout that makes the main level feel light, bright, and inviting. The living space flows right into a modern kitchen with sleek laminate flooring, a large granite island, and stainless steel appliances, to include a gas range stove. Just off the kitchen is a beautiful sunroom, ideal for morning coffee, a home office, or a cozy reading nook, offering easy access to your backyard oasis. Upstairs, you'll find 2 spacious bedrooms, each with plenty of natural light, and a remodeled full bath with modern finishes. Head downstairs and you'll find a 3rd bedroom, a full bathroom, and a laundry room conveniently tucked away, but still accessible. And finally, the lowest level offers a 4th bedroom that features private access to the backyard. This space is perfect for guests, a roommate setup, or even a home office with a separate entrance. Whether you're looking for multi-level flexibility, a low-maintenance yard, or just great value in Fountain Crest Estates, this home checks all the boxes. Thank you so much for sticking around this lovely tour, the hottest deal here in Fountain Crest Estates. If you would like a private tour, reach out to me directly, 719-358-3021. Thank you. I'll see you at the next one.